Manus Iteritas Alia is a revamped version of our dark, industrial-strength oscillator with some exciting new additions. This voice uses only Sawtooth waves that are modulated to make gritty leads and bass lines, detuned madness, or pure mayhem. The Manus has all the features of the original with a new look, additional LEDs, and a new envelope out jack for shaping and modulating other parts of your patch. The controls and underlying synthesis are the same between the original and the new, but you may hear a slight difference here and there. And Manus Iteritas is part of Alia, our oscillator platform, so you can swap the firmware to other Alia modules for free. More details on that later in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you can be the first to know about new Alia firmware and other new gear from Noise Engineering. On the panel, the two LEDs at the top show the trigger coming in and the signal going out of the module. The other two LEDs in the middle are envelope and audio out indicators. The pitch encoder adjusts the pitch of the fundamental oscillator. Press and turn for coarse tuning and turn for fine tuning. Envelope is an attack decay control that shapes the amplitude of the signal. All the way to the left, you'll get a short pop. As the knob is turned, decay increases. At 2 o'clock, the attack time increases slightly, and all the way to the right puts you in free running mode. LPF is a low-pass filter. Smash is a wave destroyer. The knob sets the level of destruction. Profundity adds out-of-phase oscillators for a chorus effect and detuning. Bash routes the envelope to LPF, Smash, and Profundity. The knob acts as an attenuverter. In the center, it's off. To the left, a negative send. And to the right, a positive send. Saw mod sounds similar to post-wave modulation or sync mod. Modulate it for classic hard sync sounds, or turn it all the way up to show the milder side of Manus. Pressing the hit button manually sends a trigger to the module. Or you can add a trigger input to the trigger jack below. Toggle the mode switch to go between 3 different modes. Skin is a 6-operator additive synth for tonal sounds. Liquid is similar to Skin, but with a pitch envelope to add some extra kick. And Metal is 2 3-operator phase modulated oscillators for extra noisy sounds. The other switch offsets the pitch. Each setting changes the pitch by 2 octaves. All the knobs and switches have dedicated CD inputs. And yes, profundity is deep. And the envelope out jack can send the envelope being created by the module to other parts of your patch. Let's hear some gritty examples of Manus, along with the other Alia oscillators, Basimilus and the Bell. Iteritas Alia is available on Noise Engineering's Alia oscillator platform. That means you can swap to other Alia firmware for free. Try out the Basimilus Iteritas Alia or the Iteritas Alia and other firmware we'll release down the road. Connect your unpowered module to your computer with the included micro USB cable, then visit our customer portal at portal.noiseengineering.us. Select firmware, then follow the instructions. Noise Engineering is committed to donating a portion of the proceeds from every Manus Iteritas sold to pangolin conservation. That means you can pat yourself on the back for buying a Manus, knowing you're doing some good in the world. Visit savepangolins.org to learn more about these critically endangered scaly mammals. For more information on Manus Iteritas Alia, visit noiseengineering.us or your favorite retailer. If you also spend time in the box, Noise Engineering offers a range of plugins for your DAW. Download our free Frequel plugins and check out our selection of Euphoric-inspired oscillators, effects, and creative mastering plugins for VST, AU, and AAX.